Learn to create, manage, conserve, and restore natural and urban ecosystems sustainably while meeting the goals and needs of society. In the Natural Resources Science and Management degree program, apply what you learn to conserving plant and animal species in forests, grasslands, rivers, streams, and urban areas as a student in the University of Missouri College of Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources. With 4 emphasis areas, including fisheries and wildlife sciences, forest resources, human dimensions, and terrestrial ecosystems, natural resource science and management students can develop skills desired by federal, state, and local governments, nonprofit organizations, and private industry. Outdoor learning laboratories for hands-on learning are plentiful near campus, including prairie, forest, stream, and urban ecosystems. Develop skills that build a healthier planet and healthier communities as a natural resource science and management student in CAFNR.